it's so dark in here. So let's just try to fix this. Ladies and gentlemen, Gabby's here, and today I got this new studio light from the ESDDI, and I got a couple other one from the Minger, and a couple smaller ones. And I'm gonna make you the optimal review. Alright, let's begin with the small one. And I need a nice bottle. It's just a wine bottle. I think this one's gonna be good for home decoration, stuff like that. That's cool. I have another one. Switch it on. Woo. And I got a couple more. Alright, so the next one, it's gonna be this big boy here. Ooh. One comes here. I never had anything like this before. So I think this is pretty much it. That looks cool. Hello. That's big. Oh boy, it was the wrong side. All the time. So this is the ESDDI Studio Light, which is actually 2-in-1, 85 watt, 5500 Kelvin white light thanks to this big bada bulb. It comes with a light stand and a soft box with this bulb, and this bulb saves the energy 80%. Wow. The only downside of this product is the length of the power cable. Let me just show you. So it begins there. Guys, if you watch this from ESDDI, is it serious? You might ask him, why is it better than this LED light? It's because of the shadows. Because of the soft box, you're gonna get a nice, smooth, creamy, delicious shadows instead of the harsh one. It's good for portraits, good for videos, good for photos, good for everyone, and good for everything. So give it a plus. This bulb should work 8,000 hours. I'm so curious, so just make a quick test about it. 8,000 hours on the clock? Just kidding, guys. That's our Halloween decoration. I'll show you in a minute, but now let me show you how to set up the light a bit faster if you already know how to do it. All set for the next unboxing. It's gonna be the LED strip light. I'm gonna use this one key light here instead of the two because I think two would be a bit overkill, so just put this here. So that's the Minger LED strip light, 5 meters, 20 colors, 8 light modes, and you won't need any other accessories for this. Just try it out. See what we got. Cables, papers. This comes with a remote. You know, making these videos and working a lot, it just caused some pain in my back. So I ordered some massage ball, because even in the Men's Health, they recommend using this. Let me just show you. This lacrosse massage ball. So I was curious, so I just ordered some. I got an orange one. Now I need Vicky to set this up. But first, we should take off the Halloween decoration and put this on instead. Guys, it took half an hour to turn this thing on because we couldn't, and I had to check a couple YouTube videos why. But I found it, so if you want to get this light, it's good to know, so let me just show you quickly. You have to make sure that these two arrows here are connected together, otherwise it won't work. Well, that was another productive day. I'm a bit exhausted. We met the ESDDI Studio Light, we tried a couple Cork light. We tried the Minger LED strip light and the massage ball, which just still hurts. It was fun. I'm so happy to share this with you guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Hit that like button if you did and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more upcoming Optima review. Goodbye. So this is the Minger, I don't know how to spell it.